Question 1. In 2020, Afiq invested in a unit trust that offered a 3.8% compounded every 3 months. After 5 years, this unit trust is valued at RM 7,600. Question 1A. What is Afiq's initial investment in this unit trust? So first, I take 3.8%, which is 0.038, and divided it by 4. Let's give the interest for each 3 months period, which is 0.0095. Next, I found how many times the interest is added in 5 years. 5 years multiplied by 4 times a year give 20 periods. Then I use the formula for compounded interest. Final amount equals to initial amount, bracket 1 plus interest, and bracket powered by n. So 7,600 equals to P, bracket 1 plus 0.0095, bracket powered by 20. And the answer is P equals to RM 6,290 ringgits and 53 cents. For question 1B, we want to calculate the maturity value of each investment by the end of 2032. In 2025, Afiq's original investment has grown to RM 7,600 ringgit. Then he added another RM 6,000 ringgit, given a total of RM 13,600 ringgit. He then split the amount equally into two funds. So each fund received RM 6,080 ringgit. 6,800 ringgits. Both funds will grow for 7 years from 2025 until the end of 2032. For Wahid fund, the interest rate is 4% per year, compounded semi-annually. That means interest is added twice a year. So the periodic rate is 0.02 and the number of periods is 14. Using the compound interest formula, the value becomes 2 to the power of 14. This gives a maturity value of RM 8,972 ringgits and 46 cents. For Bursa Fund, the interest rate is 3.3% per year, compounded every 2 months. That means there are 6 periods in a year. So the periodic rate is 0.0055 and the number of periods is 42. Its value is 6,800 times 2.0055 to the power of 42. This gives RM 8,561 ringgits and 62 cents. And finally, the total maturity value at the end of 2032 is RM 17,534 ringgits and 8 cents. Question 1B2. Among these investment funds, which offer a better deal? Explain your reason. Between the two options, Wahid Fund is clearly better. After 7 years, Wahid grows to RM 8,972 ringgits and 46 cents, while Bursa Fund only reached RM 8,561 ringgit and 62 cents. The reason is that Wahid has a stronger effective interest rate. When we convert both nominal rate into effective annual rate, Wahid becomes about 4.04% per year, while Bursa becomes about 3.35% per year. Since both funds are invested for the same length of time, the higher effective rate leads to a higher maturity value. So overall, Wahid Fund offer a better deal for us. Last question. Question 1, B3. Calculate the total interest earned from this investment from 2020 until 2023. We start from the total investment in 2022. The initial investment was RM 6,290 ringgits and 53 cents, and we added another RM 6,000 ringgits over time. So altogether, the total investment comes to about RM 12,290 ringgits and 53 cents. By the end of 2032, the investment grows to a total maturity value of RM 17,534 ringgits and 8 cents. To get the total interest earned, we just subtract what we put in from what we get out. 17,534 ringgits and 8 cents minus 12,290 ringgits 53 cents equals to 5,243 ringgits 55 cents. So over these 12 years, the investment earned a total interest of RM 5,243 ringgits 55 cents. And how? And that's how we calculate the total interest. Simple.
Untuk question 2, kita perlu mencari the accumulated amount of the fund after 18 years. So kita perlu mencari S. So dalam S, mula-mula kita cari M, K, K nya tukar kepada perpuluhan dan nilai perpuluhan. So ini jadi 0.045. Kemudian kita pilih yang equation S sama dengan P 1 tambah I kuasa N. Kemudian kita kira dan dapat S-nya RM17,875 dan 42 sen. Untuk B, the amount that Kamila can withdraw every 4 months from the account, maksudnya kita perlu cari R. So kita gunakan equation A sama dengan R yang dalam kurungan 1 bulan. Kemudian kita tekan nilai dan kita dapat nilai R-nya sama dengan RM1638 dan 82 sen. Itu saja.
Upon graduating and beginning her career, Kamila planned to purchase a car price at RM74,000. She made a 50% down payment and secures financing for the remaining amount to a bank over a 7-year term, with interest compounded monthly at a rate of 3%, 3.6%. The question wants to find a calculate the monthly payment and the total amount of interest charged by the bank. I use a formula A equal to R to find the monthly payment. And the answer, when I use the A equal to R formula and divided to and calculate the answer, the monthly payment is RM848.23. And next, total interest charge. I use a formula I equal to NR minus A. And when I calculate the answer is R equal to RM8G51.32 cent. Next question: if she failed to make her first four monthly payment, what amount must she pay in the 5th month to fully clear the outstanding arrears? I use formula S equal to R to find the answer. I use N equal to 4 because we want to know what amount must she pay in the 5th month fully clear the outstanding balance. And I calculate the answer. The answer is the amount to pay in the 5th month is S equal to RM 3408.22. Last question. After completing 6 years for a loan payment, Kamila intends to fully settle the remaining balance. Determine the amount to be paid and total interest incurred over the period. The question should find the present value of the remaining 12 payment. When N equal to 12, R equal to 484, R equal to 0.003. I use formula S equal to R to find the present value of the remaining 12 payment. When I calculate the question, I find the question as S equal to RM. Then next, we want to find the I, total paid interest. So I use 72 months to find the I. 72 months become to, when I multiply to 12 months, so equal to 72 months. So where I calculate the answer is RM 61072.56. So total paid interest is 61072.56 plus 10348.40 minus 62900. So the last answer is interest. For interest is RM 858520.996 cents.